On the same them viewers, the great Lionel Messi, people are link me from yesterday and I say, bad G, you know, say Jamaicans are sell out. You know, say Jamaicans are Judas. You know, see why I go on at the National Stadium, how them sell out Cavalier, every man in a Inter Miami jersey. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So my people, here we are going today. We're going to talk about this thing here, you know. How people are say Jamaicans are sell out. I know some man are run back a Messi like them a girl child. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm going to know what I go on. Pre this.
One line, dead bird, mama. Dead bird, mama. One cover to life. Watch one here. One cover here, man. Remember that here.
I'm going with my Jamaican team, so I'm supporting Cavalier.
On the see them viewers, first thing I want to say, you know, big up the real people them out there where they that cheer for Cavaliers. Even though them know say Cavaliers never ever go win, big up on yourself same way. Cause you see at the end of the day, a Jamaica over everything, you know. That's why you see me rate the Brazilian people them, you know. Brazilian people them not cheer for nobody else, you know. If you're not Brazilian, you know, them not care who you want be, you know. So see it, my viewers, people are linked me yesterday. I say, you know, say Jamaicans are sell out. You know, say Jamaicans are Judas. You know, see what take place at the National Stadium. Everybody in a pink and black. They make Cavaliers look shame, me I tell you no. My viewers, what you expect? Eh? Them say them goat did there, you know. But any goat we me have, they at the back of my yard and can cook. Cause the way I see some man look up to man, you know. It's a shame, me I tell you no. Most of them man look like them would have come off of them bed and sleep on the ground and make Messi sleep with them woman for the night. You know, see enough of them man did a move. Me they ever see woman a move like enough of them man. And enough of them man they not give the youth them, the little kids them a chance for their front for a cheer for Messi. The man them up front, me I tell you no. So see it, my people. Me know say Jamaicans are sell out. Me know say Jamaicans no rate Jamaicans. Me know all of this. I uno just know this. If you got to me the boy every day, I watch Jamaicans a kill off them one another. I fight with them one another. I destroy them one another. And I send them one another go around a Paris and Madden. So me know the style already, my viewers. Nobody boy and I go cheer for Jamaica. You hear that? Me hear people out there talk say, half and never Jamaica versus Argentina. It no matter. It's a Jamaican Premier League side. Same like how Inter Miami is American Premier League side. So what now go do? Eh? Push out the man them for Messi. As when I say my viewers, me no care about no goat. The only goat we me know are the goat we can curry and cook in a pot. So me no know why some man a behave so like them a groupie and them a stripper when them see a next man. Cause if you no look through all of the video them, me no see no woman a go on like how the man them a go on for Messi. That's how the thing go. You not go say a football and you not go say everybody have them star and everybody have them baller. Of course everybody have them baller. Same like how I respect and I rate Usain Bolt as a runner. Same like how I respect and I rate Michael Jordan as a basketball player. Same like how I rate and I respect Pele them. And me have my team in a football. But at the end of the day, if my team for come boy have to play against a Jamaican Premier League side, I go push my team to the side and cheer for the Jamaica Premier League side. Even though my team, it no matter if my ball a goat, donkey or sheep, I just go do the right thing. Can't tell a man what to do in them life still, but brother, most of you make the thing look bad. That's why our country a go down the drain. Them thing that just show we say we not no togetherness and we easily can sell out to one another. So see them people who not link me and not tell me. Now hear me and tell you need to brawl in ya. Say most of them man they wanna see, me don't know that already. Them would have come off of them bed and sleep on the floor and make Messi sleep with them woman and drag out them woman mouth for the one night and then come back a road come say I want to you. Goat ever sleep with your woman yet? That's so fool enough of them stay boy, yeah. So see it there, even though Cavalier lose, big up on yourself Cavalier. You stand up out there like a man, fight, but it never happen. You hear that? So my viewers, until next time, protect on the 3 points a road. You don't know the code. A life over death. You see me?
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try